Okay, so back from last time. Last time was pretty good. 1 second. Okay. Okay, this time let's see what type of stuff we have. I swear to God, if it's annoying things. I'm just hoping that the spawns aren't that crazy. Or am I going in the right direction? I don't know much Shaded Citadel. Oh, hey, merch. And I hate dragging you around. You're like that one adopted child that got sent back to the adoption center. Like, I don't like holding you around because you slow me down. I kind of need you. I hope he stays in there. Okay. I believe it may be a mod I had on. It's like a map mod I left on. No, I don't think I have any maps. Maybe it's faster gates. Yeah, it's faster gates. I do need faster gates I want because faster. And Riv usually dies. Oh Jesus. Well, let's get Rain Road put back on. Okay, now let's speedrun again. I believe that's Shoreline. I'm not really sure what that place was. It may be like one of the modded maps I had installed that's not like on. But I definitely know it's broken. Faster Gates also insta opens it. Had it like insta open when I was ready to insta open. Hey bro, I don't don't really care about you right now. And you don't need to care about me either. I drag in this creature around. Skippy cut, this is boring. Oh, shoot you. I hate you. Riv, why did you have to wake up at this time? I just want to know. It's still raining. Look, as hard as it can rain. Just water, 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 eel. I don't like this. Stop. I just want to leave you guys alone.
Goodbye, gamer.
I didn't even freaking know where I was at. Dang. Shelter failure sucks. Especially here. Are we here like rain? I know it rains here right now. But is it even like kill rain? It floods everything 100% rain. Like kills you through walls. if it would even put it there. If it'll do that. But who cares? This time I'm going right. Oh hey, food. I didn't even notice you. I thought you were like detail. I could hibernate and get out the heck out of this, but it's probably just gonna break rain again. Wait, no! I thought you're aquatic, man.
Rest in peace, gamer.
I hate you. But it doesn't really matter if I don't get out with max armor. Because, oh hey, why is it different? Well, it's not flooded anymore. That's the thing I know. Go away! Left round. That's what thing I like. I hate this game sometimes, but bro, dang, I just don't want to deal with it. Oh, we got a shelter failure and the map's flooded like always. Uh-huh. Nuh-uh. Oh yeah, right. That's a sign. Moon swim! I swear to God. If I die tonight. I am a water creature, you know, so I don't even think I'd be able to die through the rain. It's so violent. Me win. Me win. You're not gonna eat me. Stop trying to eat me. Okay, let's say hi to Moon real quick. Well, that was weird. Oh, I didn't even know that I could make it there with that. Why is jellyfish mainly only here? Like, so many here. Maybe it's because it's a, superstructure. But I don't think they should be here because of the superstructure. Ugh. Okay. What? That nearly worked. There we go.
Oh, hello there.
Oh yeah. Hello.
What a strange specimen you are. My memory does not serve me well, but it has been a long time since I've encountered one of your species. And quite with adaptations such as your own. It appears you can breathe underwater. Amazing. More importantly, I wonder who it is that gave you that mark. It could not have been my neighbor Five Pebbles, as he has been sick for a very long time. These frequent downpours suggest to me an acute failure in his machinery, and in that condition, I doubt any creature could get anywhere near him and still make it back alive. Then are you from a faraway land? Did you meet no significant harassment? Or perhaps chasing wind? Or even farther than that? I don't know why you have traveled all this way, but there is nothing for you here. I can only advise you to return to wherever you have come from. These lands have become a tremendous hazard, and conditions will only worsen with the passage of time. I hope you understand, my little friend. I don't mean to be discourteous. I am simply fearing for your safety. What is that? Ah, you would like me to read this? It's a bit dusty, but I will do my best. Hold on. Oh, this is a very rare find, water dancer. This is a highly compressed schematic of an iterator superstructure. Where did you find this? I hope you didn't plan to give this to the scavengers. I doubt they would value it as much as I would exclamation point tilde. HMM. Let's take a look. It seems this may have been a maintenance order, as one of the linear power rails is highlighted in the diagram, with a detailed path of approach outlined. The layout is unfamiliar to me. This is quite different from what I remember of my own structure. It looks as if it is using the newer lymphatic conduit water distribution system. Only the much later models had these. The only one near here would be Five Pebbles. I wonder how he is doing. It's been a very long time since we were last in contact. Thank you for showing this to me, little creature.
Oh, that was cool. Oh man, rain does come. I guess I'll just go to bed with my superstructure. Bro, I will stab you. Go away, you stupid idiots. I will. Okay, I'm just gonna hold on to you till I get somewhere. These idiots don't tentacle me. Oh, I get it. I go. Yeah, no, I'm just using jellyfish. Stop being a little idiots. Dubiously, I will kill you, I swear to God. Okay. Dubious little creatures up to no good. Go away. Yeah, I can run that. Actually, no, never mind. I'm not running. Go away! Jesus. Okay. Sometimes it just takes because I don't know what you're doing, get me. Let me guess, shelter failure? Was that actually like it? Because I think I get just a little bit longer time, so I can take a nice photo and shade it instead of having to run as fast as I can. Right. Dubious little creature, up to no good. I don't have much time, so I just hold on to one of you and just go. Want me to eat this? No. I'm just gonna head to bed. It's done.